Hey, have you heard about the CUI incident that happened in August 2008 in Missouri, United States? Did you know that CUI caused a major pipeline failure leading to a near miss and also an environmental incident? So if you are interested in learning more about this incident, there is a link in the text and it will take you to our blog, and it provides all the information and references about this specific incident. A 24-inch line was ruptured due to corrosion under insulation, leading to the release of 13 million cubic feet of natural gas. The reasons behind this incident were lack of a good corrosion control or RBI program, insufficient inspection of the line, and lack of a good safety program. We are RBI Clue, and we provide unique courses in regards to RBI and corrosion, courses that you can't find anywhere else. We have just released a comprehensive course called RBI in CUI, and I strongly recommend you to take this course if you are interested in learning more about RBI and also corrosion mechanisms like corrosion under insulation. There is a link in the text which will take you to the free version of that course, and don't forget, you're not gonna lose anything. This is just free and you'll learn a lot from that. And don't forget to like, comment, and share the videos like this, because it will be promoted and shown to more people like you. And we might be able to reach out to more integrity, RBI, and inspection engineers, and to remind them of such risks. And who knows, maybe we could save more lives by just sharing the video like this. So thanks again for sharing the video, and see you soon.